welcome back to my channel. My name is Aleezah. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be showing you guys how I got this look. So this is very glowy and peachy look that is good for the summer, since we all know that summer is approaching. But since our quarantine is extended, we still can't go outside and enjoy the sun. So I decided to bring the summer in the house by doing this makeup look. So ayan, very simple lang siya and easy to do. So you guys can go ahead, grab your makeup on, and do this kind of makeup look, feeling the summer vibes. So if you guys are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And without further ado, if you guys wanna see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start first with the eyes before we go to the face. I'm sorry if my face looks so bad. I've been breaking out recently. So first is I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using again the Milani, the pomade one in the shade dark brown. So next is I'm going to prime my eyes using a concealer. And we're gonna set it with some powder. So now I'm grabbing some tape and put this on my eyes. So I'm not a fan of using tape sa pag-eyeshadow ko kasi parang, nahihirapan ako gumamit. So parang mas madali kapag circular motion yung pag-blend ko sa eyeshadow. But now we're gonna step up the game and use some tape. So now we're going to start with the eyeshadow. So first is I'm going to use the Advanced Uncover 2 eyeshadow palette from Advance, and I'm going to use the burnt orange color. I'm going to put the color right here, and I will be using first the brush that comes with the palette, which is this one. So ito yung part na gagamitin ko, and guys, look at the pigment. So yun, I'm going to put the burnt orange on my face. Grab some more of a fluffy brush and blend the color down. And now I'm going to use another palette, which is the Nichido palette, and I'm going to use the shade, like a more of a yellow color. Put the color right here. And I'm going to use my fingers to apply it on my lid. Look at the pigment, guys. Wow. And I'm going to put this here on my lid. So I will focus the color sa may inner part ng lid ko. I'm not going to go through that, but up to the center lang and to the inner lid. So guys, in this step, kailangan mo lang talaga siya i-blend para mag-soft yung edges niya, lalo na dito sa taas. I'm grabbing some eyeliner. I'm going to follow the line. I will be putting a little bit of darker color. I'm going to use a liquid liner, but guys, I prefer you use a tip 1, especially if you're a beginner, kasi mas madali siyang makontrol rather than this one. So tingnan nyo, kaya mahirap-hirap siya gamitin. But for me kasi ngayon, ito lang yung meron ako, and I'm going to follow that black one. Let it dry for a little bit yung liner bago ko tanggalin yung tape. So, babalikan na natin yung eyes later. Now, we're going to start with the face. Kung minapanood ako sa TikTok, like, step siya, like, change your routine, something daw. And I'm going to try it again. Kasi I've already tested that and it really works for me. It's amazing. So sabi sa first step is moisturizer face. So kasi nagbabalat na yung face ko ngayon because I'm treating my acne, kaya ganun. Kasi kapag tinitreat ko yung mga pimples ko and acne, nagbabalat yung face ko, like nagpipeel off siya. Kaya I have to moisturize my face. So now I'm going to use the Celatec Hydration. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, make sure to wash your hands first or you sanitize before you do your makeup para malinis yung kamay nyo pag hinawakan yung face nyo. Kasi isa din sa cause ng pimple or acne is kapag hinahawakan nyo yung face nyo nang madumi yung kamay nyo. Next is, ang sabi doon is take any translucent powder, but she uses Fit Me powder. So I'm also gonna use this. And I'm going to dab a little bit on my face. After that, ang sabi is to spray your face using any setting spray. So I'm using the Master Fix from Maybelline. And you let it dry first. So after the setting spray, you can now put on your primer. So for the primer, I'm using the No Shine Mattifier from quickFX. Now, I've been using this one too for a really long time. And I really like how it works on my face. Affordable din siya. You can buy this at any Watsons branch. Once you're done with your primer, you can now put on your foundation. I know, during summer, hindi maganda naglalagay ng foundation. I mean, ang uncomfortable maglagay ng foundation during summer kasi mainit and papawisan ka lang naman and all. But since here sa Philippines, mainit talaga kahit anong season, I'm still using this foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me matte+poreless. Ayan. Itong foundation na to, I highly recommend kasi sobrang lightweight lang sa face and matte din siya. So, it's good for oily skin like mine kasi normal to oily siya. And I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And I'm going to use a sponge to blend this product. Okay, I know some of you guys use brush when blending your foundation. But for me kasi hindi ako comfortable pag gumagamit ako ng brush sa pag-blend ng foundation. Kasi hindi ko alam kung nabiblend ba talaga pag brush. But, if you guys use brush, just continue doing it. Kung saan man kayo comfortable, yun yung gamitin nyo. Pero kasi sa akin, comfortable ako sa sponge. Okay, story time muna tayo saglit. So, ayun nga, nagbe-breakout ako recently. And I don't know why, pero nung hindi pa nagka-quarantine, like nung may pasok pa. So, ayun, I mean, naglalagay ako ng makeup pag papasok ako sa school. So, hindi naman ako masyadong pinipimple nung time na yon kahit stress din. And ngayon naman na hindi ako masyadong stress. I mean, I am kasi may online works ako. Pero, ewan ko kung bakit ako grabe mag-breakout ngayon. Baka namimiss ng face ko yung makeup. Weird, I know. Pero, yun lang naman yung observation ko. We're going to put concealer. So, I'm using the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. Tignan natin kung magtatago yung pimple ko. Ayan, medyo nagtago yung pimple ko in fairness. Going to put some blush. So I'm using this KJM All Natural Cosmetics, the Cheek and Lip Tint in the shade Bittersweet Magenta. Okay, so now we're going to contour our face. I'm using the Maybelline V Face Glow Stick. Okay, so if you also have like a powder bronzer, you can definitely use that. Pero kasi yung akin nabasag, I'm using the NYX bronzer in medium moyen. Yun ata yung shade nun. Hindi ko na siya nagamit kasi nabasag na. Wala na. Sira na. Okay, moving on. We're going to put powder now and set the face. So I'm using this Johnson's Pressed Powder. I really love the coverage of this. Like, hindi siya ganun ka-heavy. Like, fresh lang ganun. face, I'm just going back sa eyes ko and going to curl my lashes. Okay, you can put mascara, pero ako, I prefer not to put any kasi ang bigat kasi niya sa lashes ko, kaya bumabagsak lang din. Pero if I just curl my lashes and just like that, okay siya. It stays siya for like a whole day. I'm going to apply like a glitter eyeshadow here on my lower lash line. Fix my brows, and I'm going to put brow gel. So this is from the Nichido, like a clear brow gel lang. And now going for the highlight. So just get any highlighter you have. For the lips, I'm going to moisturize it first. So going back to the tint, I'm going to apply it on the inner part of my lip. You guys can leave it like this. I also love my matte lipstick, so I'm using this from the Hollyglam, so in the shade Dashi Nude from Daiso. Ayan, mukha na siyang messy. Then apply this. Now, I'm going to spray my setting spray for the final touch. And we're done. That completes this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and send me pictures if you guys do recreate this makeup look. So here's my Instagram and Twitter account. You can guys send it to me and I really want to see it. Before that, comment down below what other video requests you guys want me to do in the future, and I will definitely appreciate it and do it for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Guys, stay safe always, drink lots of water, wash your hands, and stay at home as much as possible. Ayun lang. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!